Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to create Glassmorphism in Figma. This is an easy and quick tutorial, so let's jump right in. First, add a background color. I'll go for a dark pink color for now, but later on you will see that I changed this into blue. Next, add in your elements and place it wherever you want to. You can add as many as you like. This will only serve as our background. After that, add a rectangle and round its corners. To achieve a frosty look of this rectangle, set the opacity to 10%. Now go to the Effect panel and add a background blur. To make it look more like glass, add a stroke and set the style to gradient. Then, adjust the gradient point to make it look like the direction of light. In the color sections, select white. Then, set the stroke opacity to 50%. But then, the stroke blending here is too obvious. So to prevent that, here's what we're gonna do. Duplicate the stroke or just do it again and then align it to the opposite direction of the light source. Then, adjust the opacity to 10%. And that's how you create a Glassmorphism in Figma in less than 3 minutes. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Tricks Tutorials for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!